It's a memory based question of GATE 2023, and it's a question of differential equation, and I think it was of 1 mark. If you remember actually what was the mark of the question, it is 1 or 2. Do comment below, and also the question number. Okay, so let's see the question. What says, R1 and R2 are two initial roots of the differential equation, this one. Then we have to find that what is mod of R1 minus R2. So to do this, first, write this differential equation into a standard form like y double dash plus pxy dash plus qxy equal to 0. Okay. So if you write this in standard form, what will your p and q? So your px will be this 3 by 4 log x, and qx will be 1 by 4 log x. Okay. So can you see that at x equal to 1, px is not defined and also qx is not defined? That means p and q both have a singularity at x equal to 1. Yes. Now do check that after multiplying x minus 1 with px and put a limit x tends to 1, is this limit finite or not? If it is finite, do check for qx. Multiply x minus 1 whole square with qx and put a limit x tends to 1. Check this is finite, this is giving a finite value or not. If both a and b, a means this limit extends to 1 x minus 1 into px, and b means limit extends to 1 x minus 1 whole square qx. If both the limit a and b are finite, then you say that you will get a initial root. If you are not getting any one of this, a and b is finite, if you are not getting finite, do say, make a conclusion that you will not get a regular for not get a initial roots. So okay, now it is clear that how we will find a and b. So a is this limit extends to 1 x minus 1 px. So your px is 3 by 4 log x. Now how we will compute this limit? See, at x equal to 1, the limit we have to find, limit extends to 1. So in the upper side, x minus 1, when you put x equal to 1, it will be 0. Log 1 is also 0, so it's 0 by 0 form. Apply El Hospital rule. What will you get? X minus 1 derivative is 1, log x is 1 by x. So when limit extends to 1, you will get only 3 by 4, and these things will give you 1. Okay, so the limit is 3 by 4. So a you are getting 3 by 4, but when you will do for v, you will get 0. X minus 1 whole square into 4 by x minus 1 whole square by 4 log x. So same thing here, apply L'Hospital rule and try to get the value of b is 0. If you are not getting to comment, I will give the reply. Okay, so then you are getting a and b. So now the initial equation is this: r into r minus 1 plus ar plus b equal to 0. Now you have a in your hand, b is in your hand. Do put the value of a and b. What will you get? R into r minus 1 plus a is 3 by 4r plus b is 0. So from this you will get r is 0 and 1 by 4. So you have to find what was in question. You have to find r1 minus r2, mod of r1 minus r2. So it is 0 minus 1 by 4. So you will get 0.25. That is the required answer of the question. So okay.